Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to turn on the spelling and grammar correction in Word. Okay, so let's get started. So what you can do is like you can just go to the file. Since I have already opened the Word document, so you can go to the file. Once you go to the file, here you can go to the options. Once you go to the options, here you can see the various options called general, display, proofing, save, language, accessibility, advanced and all. Okay, so go to the proofing. Once you go to the proofing, scroll down, and once you scroll down, here you can see check spelling as you type, mark grammar errors as you type, frequently confused words, check grammar with spelling, show readability, statistics. Okay, and once you click on the settings, you can see the more options about the grammar and spelling. Okay, so here you can see the various options related to the grammar, adjective used instead of adverb, agreement within the noun phrases, capitalizations and all. Okay, so this is how you can turn on or off the spelling and grammar correction in the word. Okay, so here you can see if you want the spelling, if you want the word to check the spelling as you type, you can just uh, mark it here. You can just check mark this particular list, and if you don't want, you can just remove it. Okay, so it all depends on like if you want to turn on the spelling and grammar correction, so make sure to check box this particular option. Okay, so this is how you can turn on the spelling and grammar correction in the word. For example, if I type any word, suppose if I type India, okay, so here I will type India, India, okay, and here I have given I as a small letter. Okay, so if I just continue like this, so it will automatically turn it in capital letters since I have already turned on the this particular option. Check spelling as you type, mark grammar errors as you type. Okay, so this is the small example which I have taken in order to show the spelling and grammar correction in the word. Okay, and suppose if you do any kind of spelling mistake, suppose if I just type something like if I just type something and if I continue, so here it will show the red underline indicating that there is some spelling mistake in this particular word. Okay, so these are all the small examples which I have taken, like where if you turn on the spelling and grammar correction in the Word document. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you when it all. Thank you. Bye bye.